In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your TurboTax plan without restarting in this 2026 guide. If you're already working on a tax return and realize you picked the wrong TurboTax plan, don't worry. In most cases, you can switch to a different product without starting over, which saves time and helps you keep all the progress you've already made. I'll walk you through the process clearly, so you can make the change and continue where you left off. To begin, sign into your TurboTax account and open the tax return you're currently working on. Make sure you're inside the return itself before moving on, since the option to change plans is tied to the return you already started. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and scroll all the way to the bottom. There, you should see an option labeled Switch Products. Go ahead and click that. This is the area TurboTax uses to let you move between available plans without wiping out your existing return. After that, choose either upgrade or downgrade, depending on the direction you want to go. If you need more features, you'll want to upgrade. If you no longer need extras and want a simpler option, choose downgrade. The right choice depends on the kind of support and tools you want included in your plan. Next, select the TurboTax plan you want to switch to. Take a moment here to make sure you're choosing the version that matches your needs. This can help you avoid switching again later. You'll then be shown the plan features and pricing. Review this carefully so you understand what's included before confirming the change. This is a good time to check whether the plan offers the level of guidance, filing help, or support you want. If TurboTax gives you additional product options, choose the ones that fit your situation. For example, you may see an option related to expert help, and if you don't need that service, you can remove it here. Just read each option carefully before continuing. When everything looks right, click Continue to confirm the change. TurboTax will then begin updating your plan. Give it a moment to process. Depending on your connection or the platform, this may take a few seconds. Once the update is complete, you can continue working on your existing tax return using your new TurboTax plan. Your goal here is simply to keep moving forward without losing your progress, and this method is designed to let you do exactly that. Thanks for watching.